Happy Thanksgiving. Ohayou gozaimasu. This is a pre-Thanksgiving rush at the grocery store. We're actually at Costco first, but there's some things I buy at Costco, some things I buy at the regular grocery store. So I thought I'd show you guys. Yeah, I'm on daddy duties. Happy Thanksgiving? Yeah. Judy's taking a nap. Yeah. I've got Bella. We're about to go get some free samples. We're gonna shop for groceries. Getting here right at opening, so all the carts are parked. We do have our list. Samples? Yeah, we all want samples.
How about you, Daddy?
How about me? Yeah, I definitely want samples. So today when we got to Costco, which we got here about 15 minutes before opening, there was already a line. I was surprised because it's Monday before Thanksgiving. So I'm guessing they're lined up because Black Friday probably starts super early now. Let's see if they got some good deals. First thing I always buy, this big bag of organic onions, $4.99, 5 pounds. Can't beat it. They are stacked up right now. I've never seen these piles this high. Definitely gonna grab some bananas. You want some bananas, Bella? These are good looking bananas too. In fact, you know, I'm gonna probably get 3 bunches of banana.
Potato.
Potatoes? No, those aren't potatoes, babe. Let me show you. Hey, they look like potatoes, but they're kiwis. You wanna see? These are interesting. They call them red fruit kiwis or red kiwis. Interesting. They're red on the inside. I think we saw these last time. Green kiwis and then golden kiwis. Be fun to make a salad or something out of that. Pecan pies, and I'm guessing on the other side, ton of apple pies. And you can't forget pumpkin pies too. Not as many though, I'm surprised. So now I realize why there's not as many over there, because you gotta refrigerate the pumpkin pies. Never seen the pumpkin pies in the produce section before like this. Don't you worry, we're gonna get some free samples, but first gotta get some good stuff for us. December 10th. These ones are more fresh. Broccoli, we're definitely gonna go through all this. So we do try to avoid shopping in or around Thanksgiving, even though inevitably I always end up at the grocery store. But we can just go to a local one because it's just me grabbing like 1 or 2 things that I forgot. But yeah, it's definitely gonna get some cucumbers. Oh yeah, ground pork, olive oil, and avocados. Okay, I need to get that. We drink more green juice in the winter time. Hence why I'm buying this thing of cucumbers, because we tend to get more sick or catch things when it gets cold. So that's when we load up on the green juice. Because in the summertime, whoop, traffic jam. Good girl. Did you say excuse me?
Yeah.
I love you. In the summertime, we eat fresh vegetables, more fresh vegetables and more fresh fruits. But green juice is a nice injection of health. Okay, let's get some avocados. There we go. For that avocado toast we always make. We'll get these ones because you guys do eat these. These are really popular.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna get these, babe.
No.
You like the bigger ones?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get these anyways. One thing I can tell you as a parent, 100% confident in this, kid's not the boss, you're the boss, okay? Don't let your kids tell you what to do. You gotta go get green beans. Good looking cart so far. Of course, there's a ton of turkeys. I remember one of my first turkeys I ever made for Thanksgiving. I didn't thaw it out in time. It took like twice as long to cook and it didn't end up being very good. So if you're cooking turkey for the first time, which maybe watching this will be too late. Hey, don't touch the turkey, baby. Make sure you put your turkey into the fridge at least 2 or 3 days before. Or get it from here where it's already unfrozen. No, we don't need that one because we want to get the Kerrygold that's on sale. Yeah, here, you get that, okay? Can you grab it for me? Thank you. 2 hands, baby. Yeah. Kerrygold, $3 off. Let's get a couple of these. So lately I've been buying the grass-fed Kirkland Signature stuff, but I do like this better overall. So that's another thing that we don't buy here, eggs. So we go through enough where maybe I should. I like to buy pasture-raised eggs. Now, if they had pasture-raised eggs that were organic, definitely, I'm definitely buying them from here. Or even if it was just pasture-raised eggs, that's all I would need. Okay, let's go, baby. Go down the one aisle that has no one in it. It's not even 10:30 and it's already as busy as I've ever seen it on a weekend. Someone even mentioned, does anybody even work? There's plenty of people that are thinking just like me and them. We want to get here before the crowds because man, I bet you later today is crazy. They're loaded up on toilet paper today, paper towels, no shortage anymore. Coconut water. Hey, do you like coconut water, Bella?
No.
Should we buy it?
No.
Okay. This is toilet paper for those big family Thanksgiving dinners. 5,400 feet of jumbo 2-ply toilet paper. 24 bucks for that. In our next house, or maybe in this house, we're definitely gonna have a bidet. Want to talk about saving on toilet paper? Go to a Japanese hotel, sit on one of those fancy toilets, spray in the, you know what places, you'll use a third less, maybe 2/3 less toilet paper for sure. What do you like about Japan?
I like high cream.
Haichu? What?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Haichu and ice cream. That's a good combo. These are a must in the winter especially. Now we don't use these as much for things outside like this picture is showing. I just like it for, again, when we have parties, for whenever we have get-togethers, you just want to load up a whole bunch of trash. We usually leave it in the back porch and just stuff it full. Super convenient. It is a lot more expensive. It's 24 bucks for 50, but thank you for being a good girl. Olive oil, we normally buy it from here. I'm just gonna get this big old one right here. I'm not sure, curious from the Italians. Typically, Italy has the best stuff. Extra virgin olive oil. I don't think this is all from Italy though. Look at that, see? We like this stuff, but packed in Italy with select oils from Portugal, Tunisia, Spain, Italy, and Greece. So a wide selection of countries it could be from.
I got
You got me? Okay. Thank you for helping me, Bella. Hey, do we need more applesauce? Yeah, we definitely need more applesauce. The Kirkland signature is really solid stuff. Go ahead, Bush. Thank you. It's not even 11 and there's already a line to check out. All these people are using self-checkout. You want a smoothie today? Wants a smoothie. Thank you. I'm trying to tempt you with a cookie. Let's go get the smoothie. No line. Guess it is 10:30 in the morning. Good time to buy some chicken bakes or pizzas right now.
28,
Is that it?
It's you.
There we go.
Here you go.
2 hands, you better be careful, okay? Come on. $189. That was crazy. And I was saying how it was already nuts in there to the employee. And he said, just wait till Wednesday. That was almost as busy as Black Friday. He says it gets crazier. So yeah, just FYI. Bella has to eat her banana before she gets her smoothie. That was wild. That was as busy as a Black Friday, except without the panic and the craziness and the fast pace nature. Don't go after 11 a.m. So you need to get there right when it opens. This was one of the rare times where I got there right at opening and there was still a line at the beginning. So I thought maybe some Black Friday sales. But the reason I bring up it wasn't as fast paced, I bet you everybody in there was thinking what I was thinking. Hey, I'll get there at opening. It'll be chill, it'll be slow. No, it's like everybody was thinking the same thing and they were almost shocked. I was surprised that it was shoulder to shoulder traffic. It was hard for me to even vlog, not that I need to vlog, but now I'm off to the regular grocery store. I'll show you what I buy there that I don't get at a Costco. You ready for your smoothie? Tasting. Is it okay if I have a small drink?
No.
Why is that? Can we share?
No.
Oh, then I'm not gonna share with you. Is it okay if we share? Okay, then you don't get none. Do you want Daddy to share with you? Okay, then can you share with Daddy? All right, sounds good. Off to the co-op. Don't drink all of it, okay, baby? Getting gas, baby.
Don't wait.
Okay.
Don't talk.
Okay, the Snow Isle Food Co-op. There's 2 things I like to get here for Thanksgiving. One of them being a turkey, the other one, fruits and veggies. For Thanksgiving, one of our favorite side dishes is Japanese sweet potato. So I'm gonna buy a couple of these and they happen to be organic. In fact, everything here has to be, I think, certified organic. I don't know how it works. The whole produce department is organic. Can't have Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes. It's very difficult. You wanna help me? Okay, put that in the bottom. Thank you. She's so sweet. We need a lot in the bottom. Put it right there in the bottom, right there. There you go. Can you put this one over there too? It's really hard to find organic potatoes, especially russet potatoes that aren't old, and these are nice and firm. There we go. We're gonna make mashed potatoes, baby. In fact, I might buy a whole bunch because these are awesome. Any kind of vegetable. Here you go, baby. Thank you. You want it to be organic because it's swimming in chemicals and pesticides, especially when it's in the dirt. So potatoes is definitely one of those. And even though this place is a bougie grocery store and a lot of things are expensive, their produce and their vegetables, fruits are not too pricey. No, in the bottom right there. Okay, another thing I buy here, citrus fruits. Hard to find organic lemons at Costco. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen it. Place it in there, don't drop it. Very nice. Look how gentle you are. Okay, yes, we're gonna get apples. Wait 1 second, babe. Yes, you're helping me, babe. Here, we need to get these apples. So these are Honeycrisp apples. Yes, I'm gonna help you, but these are usually really expensive. Go ahead, put it in the bag, okay? Gently. Oh, don't drop it though, okay? Place it in there. Come on. Place it in there. There you go, gentle. Thank you, just like that. But Honeycrisp, I think these are better than Fuji's in my opinion, but they're usually super expensive. These are $2.99 a pound, which is still quite a lot compared to back in the day. But these are grown in Washington, new crop, so they're from this last season and really good. Oh, green ones? Oh yeah, the Granny Smith too. I think that'll be enough. We'll go through all of these. Now we use the green ones for green juice because they're really sour. It's nice to have that tartness in the green juice, and usually these are even more cheaper. These are $2.99 a pound, but yeah. Here you go, baby. Thank you. Okay, the other fruit that I love buying here is pears. They have the best pears. One of the things I like about the co-op, they work with local farmers. Yeah, be very careful. Place these gently in the bottom, okay? One at a time. I think these come from Eastern Washington, but the best pears you'll ever have in your whole life. You wouldn't think pears in Washington, but yeah, we've got some amazing pears. Juicing apples. Huh, why do they call them juicing apples? Because they're odd sized, maybe? This actually would be good for us to buy. $1.49 per pound. Maybe I should get these. You know what? I'm gonna get these. No, we don't need that. Why do we need that? Even though those are a good deal in the fall. Acorn squash, spaghetti squash, pumpkins in general, all are really well priced. I'm just gonna get one bulb of garlic. You wanna go in there with me? All right, let's go. Come on. The other thing I always get here, and I always talk about this, organic beer, which is hard to find these days. This company, Aslan Brewing, is quite delicious. Ooh, fresh hop organic Kolsch. Still Aslan Brewing, they just changed up the design for their seasonal stuff. What is this one? It's like a zombie one? Satan's Airport, wow. I'm definitely not gonna get that, but again, interesting design. I'll get this classic lager, light lager, almost like a Bud Light, and then I'll get this one because it's interesting. Fresh hop organic Kolsch. What's that? Okay, yeah, I don't need to grab that one. Come on, let's put that back. Thank you for your helping. Good job. Okay, let's go, come on. These days we buy most of our cheese from Costco, but they have a nice selection. Some of the cheeses I used to buy back in the day that I love still are these, the Kerrygold. The Dubliner is really good. I've never tried that one. Skellig. Sounds interesting. Ooh, this one's good. Reserve cheddar. It's like very sharp. They also have some raw cheeses. Look, cheese from raw milk. That is very rare these days. Probably the number one reason I come here for Thanksgiving shopping, because they have these Diestel Company turkeys, specifically young turkeys, and oftentimes I think they're heritage turkeys, which are, I think, better for you. But yeah, thoughtfully raised on sustainable family farms. These turkeys are the best, but they are expensive compared to a Costco. $4.29 per pound. They also have organic whole turkeys here, which are really expensive, but I don't need them to be organic. Right, Bebe? No. Now let me put the turkey there. Okay, perfect. There we go. When I go to other people's houses for Thanksgiving, I still try to roast the turkey at least once a year during Thanksgiving because I want to practice, and I don't get that many times to practice. A little secret, if you want a cheap turkey, after Thanksgiving, at least here, they're 50% off, so I always grab one afterwards too. What did you find? Oh, okay, no, we got plenty of chocolate, but do you want dried fruit for a snack? Back in the day, we used to trick the kids and tell them dried fruit was fruit gummies. Right here, look, they got these raisins. These are fruit gummy raisins. Want that for a snack? All right, let's get that, baby. You can totally eat these. Let's get these jumbo ones. Yeah, those are the fruit gummies, AKA raisins. Can you hold this, babe?
I eat it.
Yeah, you can eat it, but we have to buy it first, okay? Good job. Just put it right there. Grab the other potatoes, baby. Good job. Push it. 2 hands, babe. All right, that's $145, and I'm telling you that turkey is the most expensive thing in this cart. All natural turkeys are. Not only are they rare, but really expensive. These raisins are something else, not like your normal raisins. They call them some kind of flaming raisins. Here you go, babe. Be careful with it, okay? Is it good? Mm-hmm. That's nature's gummies right there. All right, that was my shopping trip to pick up Thanksgiving dinner. Of course, we always do turkey, mashed potatoes, some kind of greens. This year it's gonna be green beans. Japanese sweet potatoes, one of our favorites. I do have a video on my channel if you wanna learn how to make Japanese sweet potato with the green onion miso butter. Everybody loves it. It's everyone's favorite that does try it. We always do rice too. We may or may not do stuffing. And the rest of the stuff is just things we're gonna eat throughout the week, because if we can, we try to avoid the grocery stores. Even this place, it was chill, but they said it's gonna get crazy busy later. It was crazy busy yesterday. So yeah, Monday morning is kind of my thing. Avoid the crowds. I don't even go Black Friday shopping, as I mentioned before. Maybe I'll go in to pick up one or two things, but that's it. And I'm not even bringing the girls or the cart. It's just to grab something or doing delivery. So shout out to all the people delivering groceries to people during the holidays. Appreciate you. You ready to go home to mommy? All right, I told you, tell your little ones gummy fruit or fruit gummies, because technically it is dried fruit and it's got the texture and look of a gummy. Yeah, you like it, huh? And it's very, very healthy. Can daddy have one, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.